Welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So there's some pretty big news for all the YouTube content creators out there, and it specifically involves the mid-roll ads that you see on your videos. Now this change, I think, is going to have a really significant effect on a lot of creators, specifically people who are creating long-form content. And so the change that's going to be implemented is the fact that before, your videos had to be 10 minutes or longer to have mid-roll ads. Now, if you're not familiar with what mid-roll ads are, they're basically ads in the middle of your videos. And so whenever you are creating videos, you can have ads at the beginning, at the end, or if their videos are 10 minutes or longer, you can have it in the middle. But now, in late July, specifically July 27th, 2020, videos that are 8 minutes or longer will be eligible for mid-roll ads. So this is going to be a huge thing because I think for some people, having a video that's 10 minutes or longer might be difficult. Whereas if you have a video that is 8 minutes or longer, I think the majority of people can make those type of videos instead of trying to create videos that are padded to reach that 10-minute limit. Now, I'm always under the belief that you shouldn't make videos longer just so you could have more ads. You should make the videos as long or short as they need to be, but having this 8-minute eligibility limit does really open up a lot of possibilities for many creators out there to actually make money from ads through Google AdSense. And let me show you how this works in the monetization. If you go back to your YouTube video and then you go to your monetization section, you see this option here, location of video ads during video, mid-roll, and then there's before and then it's after. And so here, if your video is eligible, previously it was 10 minutes or longer, you would have the option to do mid-roll. You could have it do it automatically or set them yourself. I prefer doing it automatically. And so now videos that are 8 minutes or longer will be eligible for mid-roll. And then if you are a current YouTube content creator, you do have some things that you have to do here. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. Under your monetization section in YouTube Studio, go under Actions, and you can learn more, which I did right here. Or you could go ahead and set your preferences. Under Open Preferences, the default right now is I want to increase my monetization potential with mid-roll ads automatically, so placements will be added. And as far as I know, it'll also retroactively add these mid-roll ads for videos that you've already done previously, or you could also choose to individually review and add this yourself. And so all of these will go into effect July 27th, 2020. So maybe you'll start seeing this around that time, or maybe at the end of July. But whatever the case might be, I really do think this is a really good move. And having it 8 minutes, I think for the majority of people is something that is achievable, and it kind of makes sense, because a lot of times if you're having to like figure out ways to just pad your videos, it just really takes the whole element of providing real value to your viewers. And at the same time, it really puts added pressure on you as a creator. Whereas I think with 8 minutes, it really is a time that really gives you as a creator enough time to say what you want, but at the same time, not so much where you have to think of other things to say in your videos. At least that is my opinion based upon all the videos that I've created. So that is it for this particular video. If you actually had any thoughts on this pretty big change, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see more of my YouTube tutorials, tips, and thoughts, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.